Good morning, everyone. Today we'll see how to join two different videos in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. So let's get started with that. So we have this Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 opened up on our system, and this is the initial screen which we have. So I'll go ahead and use my sample uh, project. So what I have to do, I have two different videos which I created, which I need to join. So we can see we have the first one over here, we have the second one over here. So what I'll do, I'll pull up both the videos in the workspace panel. So that's the first one, that's the second one. So I have both of them over here. So now what I'll do, I'll double click onto the first one, since that's the first one, right? And I'll drag that to the timeline. So we have that on the timeline now. So let's move the second one on the timeline, right? So we can see once we move the second one on the timeline, so we have to make sure we actually attach it to the very end of the first one. That way it'll automatically join. So now we just need to make sure, let's go ahead and play the video, and just need to make sure the transitions are smooth, just so it doesn't become obvious for the end users that we joined two different videos. So let's quickly see that. A website out of SharePoint. So we can easily see over here that the transitions are not smooth. So what I have to do, I have to do some sort of manipulations over here. I might have to get rid of few seconds from here, and a few seconds from the first video and the second video. And that way what I can do, I can even add transitions over here. I can do multiple things as per the requirements. So yeah, that's how you join two different videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Then you can go ahead, and once you're done with all your editing, you can go ahead and click onto the export button and go ahead and export the video. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Let me know if there is anything else.